gonna be singing Pure Imagination. Come with me and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look and you'll see into your imagination. We'll begin with a spin, traveling in the world of my creation. What we'll see will defy explanation. If you want to view paradise, simply look around and view it. Anything you want to do it. Want to change the world, there's nothing to it. There is no life I know to compare with pure imagination. Living there, you'll be free if you truly wish to be. This is Maynard.
He also makes puppets. He's a puppeteer, a singer, an actor, and a dancer. Ladies and gentlemen, I think you should go all the way to the finals.